Hi all. This is a real interesting question that I get asked. How do I shampoo my hair for females? Is it different with every gender? Well, I actually say it's all different for all types of hair. And when a lady comes in and they've got longer hair, it's most important what we do in our salons. We sit the client down, prepare the hair for washing. As soon as you go under the shower and just wet your hair, you may mat it up. It's all tangled. The best thing if somebody has a bit longer hair is to start from the bottom of the hair and brush it from the bottom, working your way up, and you're releasing and you're spreading the natural oils to the ends. Once you're in the shower, slightly wet your hair and put your shampoo on the palms of your hands, right? And then you can start lathering at the roots of the hair, lathering and working out. The thing is, as you're shampooing, the best with the fingers to fold out, and that's spreading to the ends. So it's constantly important that the brushing is more important before you shampoo, because you're actually spreading the natural oils of the hair to the ends. So it's the same as conditioning. You don't need to condition the roots of your hair. Don't waste it. It's most important, depending on the length, put again a small amount and rub it on the ends of the hair and massage it in. Best to leave a few minutes to leave it in there. It goes back to shampooing. Depending on the hair type you have, you're better off shampooing, letting the shampoo sit at the scalp to get it stimulated, depending if you've got oily hair, if you've got thin hair, and it depends on the shampoo you're using. So when you shampoo, it's in a circular motion. So tips, circular motion. And the reason is you go from the back and you work your way up. Sides, work your way up. And I would always say rinse it backwards, and you're constantly getting it all out. It's so important to completely rinse your shampoo out, because there are some shampoos on the market that do have some sort of additives that actually may affect your scalp. So it's important to rinse it. So when we rinse hair out at the basin, we can feel it just feels a bit squeaky. You can just feel that it's nice and clean. That's the time to put your conditioner. I hope this little tip's been good for you.